More than 4,000 new units are on offer in the Housing Board's latest build-to-order exercise, and for the first time, singles can apply. I'll tell you more in a while.
Almost one-third of all new two-room flats on sale under the latest Housing and Development Board sales exercise have been set aside for singles. This is the first time that singles are able to buy a new flat directly from the government. And with all housing grants added in, the selling price could start from $16,000. The new room flats are in Sengkang and Yishun, and some 520 are on sale. All in, the HDB is offering more than 4,000 flats in this month's build-to-order sales exercise. Olivia Seong reports.
It's a moment 48-year-old Justin Shen has been waiting for. The communications manager is among the first to apply for a two-room build-to-order flat as a single. Starting from this sales exercise, singles who are 35 and above and earn up to $5,000 a month can apply for new two-room flats in non-mature estates.
I was very happy to hear that they are allowing us to buy directly from HDB. That means something we can now afford to buy a place of our own. The size of the flat, of course, it's better that if we could have been bigger, but that is not really a top concern.
The selling price of two-room flats this time starts from $76,000, excluding grants. Singles who apply for these flats under the joint singles scheme will pay the same BTO price as married couples. However, those who apply on their own will pay $15,000 more. Singles who later marry will receive the CPF Housing Top-Up Grant of $15,000.
In current housing market conditions, the resale flat had gone up, the prices had gone up significantly. So singles may find it difficult to buy HDB flat from the resale market, even with the subsidy or the grant from the government. So the new policy will be very good, will be a very positive move for this single.
The government will also extend other CPF housing grants to eligible singles buying BTO flats. Under the additional CPF housing grant, singles applying on their own with a monthly income of up to $2,500 can receive up to $20,000. While under the special CPF housing grant, those with an income of up to $1,125 can receive an additional grant of up to $10,000. If they apply under the joint singles scheme, the income ceiling and grant amount doubles. With maximum grants, the selling price for the two-room flats will start from $16,000. Some analysts expect the take-up rate for the single scheme to be good.
I do foresee a pent-up demand, and as such, with the introduction of the incentive of the grant, I will not be surprised the subscription rates for such units will be close to 5 or even marginally more than 5 times. And interestingly, we must also note that among the two-bedroom BTO flats, there are a good number, close to 200 of which are likely to be completed by end of next year or beginning of 2015.
Applications for this month's BTO exercise will close on Monday. The HDB has said its next build-to-order exercise will be in September, where more than 4,000 units in Punggol and Yishun will be made available. In addition, about 170 new two-room units from earlier BTO exercises in Punggol will also be on offer.
3 other refinements to the government's housing policy were also announced today. Singles buying resale flats in the open market and earning up to $5,000 will now have the additional CPF housing grant extended to them. This means they will get an additional grant of up to $20,000 if they apply on their own. The grant will be doubled to up to $40,000 if they apply under the joint singles scheme. This is on top of the CPF housing grant that they would already be getting. The monthly household income ceiling for families applying for two-room flats in non-mature estates will also be increased to $5,000 from $2,000. And finally, for a couple that's applying for a BTO flat, in which one of them is a first-timer and the other a second-timer applicant, they will now enjoy the same priority in flat allocation as couples where both are first-timers. We asked you on Facebook if you would take up HDB's two-room flats for singles. Anthony says yes, and that the less than $100,000 price tag is super cheap. He says even if you earn less than $3,000 a month, you could pay off the installments in 5 years. Carrick agrees, saying the $16,000 two-room BTO flat at Yishun is cheaper than buying a car without COE. Prune suggests that HDB allow people to buy for BTOs when they are 33 years old, so they don't have to wait another 2 to 3 years before moving in. But there are those who said a flat-out no to the two-room BTO offer. Ji Chai calls the flats a Mickey Mouse house and says it dissuades singles from getting married and having children. And Nizam says that size matters and the best option is to let singles apply for 3-room BTOs so they have room for a child or for their parents whom they have to take care of. Do keep those comments coming on facebook.com/channelnewsasia Singapore.